Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete all unread email in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you tap open your Yahoo Mail app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply go and tap on the unread message section. So once you're in the unread messages section, all you need to do is simply tap on the box-like icon on the left-hand side of this menu bar. Once you tap it all the unread messages or conversation will be selected, so simply hit the delete button. So once you successfully hit the delete button, all the unread messages that has been selected will get completely deleted from your Yahoo Mail. So in this way, you can delete it all at once. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.